replacement, replacement, replacement.
Something that takes the place of something else, usually because the original one is no longer working or available. Here's a sample sentence. The new employee was hired as a replacement for John, who had left the company suddenly. This sentence demonstrates how the word replacement can be used to refer to someone or something that takes the place of another person or thing.
Replenish, replenish, replenish.
To fill something up again, so it's full once more. Here's a sample sentence. The store owner made sure to replenish the shelves with fresh produce every morning, so customers would always have a wide selection to choose from.
Represent, represent, represent.
This means to show or be a symbol for something, like a picture that stands for an idea. Here's a sample sentence. The lawyer will represent her client in court. In this example, represent means to act on behalf of someone else, or to speak or act as their official representative.
Representation, representation, representation.
It's when something or someone stands for, shows, or speaks on behalf of others. Here is a sample sentence. The artist's painting provided a powerful representation of the struggles faced by women in her community. In this example, representation refers to a depiction or portrayal of something, in this case, the struggles faced by women, that accurately and effectively conveys its essence.
Representative, representative, representative.
This word means someone or something that stands for or speaks on behalf of others, often to show what they think or want. Here is a sample sentence. The senator was chosen to be the representative from her state at the national conference. In this example, representative refers to someone who speaks or acts on behalf of others.
Reproach, reproach, reproach.
This word means to criticize or scold someone for something they've done, often because you think they made a mistake or did something wrong. Here is a sample sentence. The teacher's stern expression and sharp words were a clear reproach to the student for not completing his homework on time. In this example, the word reproach means a criticism or rebuke, often given in a disapproving tone.
Reproduce, reproduce, reproduce.
To make more of something that already exists, so there are more of them. Here is a sample sentence. The couple decided to reproduce and start a family, so they began making plans for a nursery and preparing for the arrival of their new baby.
Reproduction, reproduction, reproduction.
This process is when living things make more of their own kind, so they can grow and multiply. Here is a sample sentence. The zoo's breeding program was designed to promote the reproduction of endangered species, such as the giant panda and the Sumatran tiger. This sentence demonstrates how the word reproduction can be used in context to refer to the process of producing offspring or young.
Reptile, reptile, reptile.
This type of animal has scales, is cold-blooded, and often lives on land or in water. It doesn't have hair or feathers like some other animals do. Here's a sample sentence. The zoo was home to many fascinating reptiles, including snakes, lizards, and turtles.
Repudiate, repudiate, repudiate.
This means to strongly say that something is not true or yours, often because you don't agree with it or want no part of it. Here is a sample sentence. The politician was forced to repudiate her previous statement after it was revealed that she had based it on false information. In this example, repudiate means to officially disavow or reject something, in this case, the politician's earlier statement.
Reputable, reputable, reputable.
This word means someone or something that is trusted and respected because they do things correctly and honestly, and have a good history of doing so. Here's a sample sentence. The doctor's office was known for its reputable staff and state-of-the-art medical equipment. In this example, reputable means having a good reputation or being trustworthy.
Reputation, reputation, reputation,
It's how people think about you based on what they've heard or seen. It's like an idea that others have about who you are or what you're like. Here is a sample sentence. The company's reputation was tarnished by the scandal, leading to a significant loss in customer trust and sales. This sentence demonstrates how the word reputation can be used to describe the public image or standing of an organization.
repute, repute, repute,
This word refers to what people generally think or believe about someone or something, based on their past actions or qualities. Here is a sample sentence. The famous chef was known throughout the city for his exquisite cuisine, and he had a reputation of being one of the most skilled cooks in town. In this example, reputation is synonymous with repute, implying that someone's good name or standing has been earned through their actions or accomplishments.
request, request, request,
It's when someone asks politely for something they want or need. Here's a sample sentence. She made a request to her boss for an extra week off to attend her family reunion. This sentence demonstrates how the word request can be used in context, referring to a formal or informal ask for something.
require, require, require,
This word means something is needed or necessary for something else to happen or exist. Here is a sample sentence. The new employee will require training on our company's software before she can start working with clients.
requisite, requisite, requisite,
This word refers to something that is needed or necessary for something else to happen or exist. Here is a sample sentence. The fire department required a specific type of equipment, known as the requisite gear, to be present at every emergency response. In this example, requisite means necessary or essential.
rescind, rescind, rescind,
This means to officially cancel or take back something that was previously done, said, or agreed upon. Here is a sample sentence. The company's board of directors voted to rescind the policy change that had been implemented just 6 months prior, citing concerns from employees and customers. In this example, rescind means to officially cancel or repeal something, in this case, a policy change.
rescue, rescue, rescue,
To help someone or something that is in trouble, danger, or difficulty, and make them safe again. Here's a sample sentence. The firefighters worked tirelessly to rescue the family trapped in the burning building.
research, research, research,
It's the process of finding out more about something by asking questions, looking for answers, and trying to understand it better. Here is a sample sentence. The team spent several months conducting extensive research on the new medical treatment, gathering data from numerous clinical trials and studies to inform their findings.
resemblance, resemblance, resemblance,
This word refers to something that looks or seems similar to another thing, but might not be exactly the same. Here is a sample sentence. The new employee's resemblance to her boss was uncanny, with similar facial features and mannerisms. In this sentence, resemblance refers to the similarity in appearance or characteristics between two people.